guacamole. Let's make guacamole.
Okay, let's get to work on this easy guacamole recipe. I like to slice those avocados down lengthwise. Once I've got that, always be very careful with your knife. Just go ahead and give them a little twist, and then you can use your knife to pop out that seed. A little chef tip here, use a big enough spoon to remove the avocado from the peel. It makes it a lot easier to get it in one big chunk. And that way, if you even want to set some aside, you can certainly do that as well. Once the avocados are mashed up, we'll go ahead and set them aside so we can prepare our other ingredients. I'm using 2 whole limes tonight, some red onion, garlic, and loads of fresh cilantro.
Just a pinch of salt, not a punch.
Okay, so everything's ready. We'll go ahead and add those in to the mashed up avocados. I've added in a tablespoon of mayo. That is certainly optional. You don't need that. Give this a really good mix and we are all set to go. Please also remember to smash that subscribe button.
Whoa, I lost my boat. That's a guacamole boat. You can use this on toast. You want to call it avocado toast, guacamole toast. It's great to place in burritos. Load up your burritos, load up your tacos, especially for Taco Tuesday. The guacamole recipe, it's such an easy recipe and you can use it with so many different dishes. Enjoy, just like I'm about to do. Boom! That's a winner. I could eat this guacamole every day. It's that good. This guacamole is just absolutely fantastic. Guacamole on lettuce. It's a perfect healthy snack. It's a healthy recipe. Get after it. Boom. That's so good.